how to choose your close friends on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to choose your close friends on Instagram. This option will help you if you choose your close friends. Only those who choose, you can see some of your specific stories or something like this. All you need to do is go to your Instagram and click on your profile. Click on those three lines up there. Now, the third before the last, click on the close friends and click on search and type name of users, which is your friends. And if you are done, click on done, and they're gonna show up as your close friends with the green color. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.